Guys, tara. Laro tayo. Black Sprout. Third na pala ako, guys. Yes. Look at my levels, guys. Uy, core. Yes, yes. This is my time to shine. Ano? Hindi ako tikor. Ay, hindi ako nakakuha ng good fruits. Hindi ako. Guys, may goal guys, may goal pala ako para makuha yung God Superhuman. Guys, like in the comments what to do. I do not know how to do that. Okay, guys, you want to join me? Just add friend me. This is my hunter. Wow, love. Ooh. Sorry, guys, I have no fruits. Please give me fruits, guys. Kasi wala akong ngayon. Poor ako talaga, bro. Wala akong magawa. Walang pera. Hindi ako mayaman. Sorry. Wala akong Robux. Ipa-third ko po, guys. Second si first and third si last. CBs. Ngayon, guys, ang content ngayon, hunt CBs. May magma ko dito. Oh, nawala pala. Pinahiram ko kasi ng aking sangkay. At saka niya magma. May buda pa akong spare. Ikaw niya. Guys, sibisan tayo. Tara. Ano tayo ngayon? Uy, mali. No. Just not do it. At saka, guys, the Game Pass. Oh yeah. Sorry, guys, it's not Game Pass. It's just 30. Oh. Let's wait for CBs, guys. Kasi wala akong magawa. Tara, guys. Shirt lang to, guys. Kasi dito tayo magpaparking. Dito lang tayo. Kasi mag-aabang ng CBs. Let's go. Wait, guys. FK ako muna. Sabihin lang niyo ako kung tapos na yon. Sige, guys. Sige. Wait lang, guys. Mag-remain lang ako, guys. Gabi na pala. Ngayon ko lang yung kapos. Kasi nahack ang account ko. Sige lang po. Sige lang ako ngayon, pos. Kasi wala akong magagawa. Guys, tara. Walang CBs pa? Ba? What the hell? Ba? No CBs. Diba, guys? Dito yung nag-spawn, guys. Like in the comments kung din sila nag-expand. Ha? Like in the comments. Let's go, guys. Ilalabas ko na lang part 2 dito. Si Bisant. Like in the comments. Bye-bye, guys!